Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad fan clutch? The first sign that you know that you got a bad fan clutch is going to be roaring noise. If your fan clutch sounds like it's making a very loud jet engine noise or very loud wind noise, that's how you know your fan clutch is failing. That's because the fan clutch fails to disengage. The next sign that you know that your fan clutch is failing is going to be silicone fluid leak. If you see a buildup of fluid or oil on the fan clutch, that's because the seal fell and is allowing silicone oil to leak out. The next sign that you know that your fan clutch is failing is going to be overheating. Obviously, if your fan clutch is not working properly, your engine can actually overheat. Now I'm going to show you guys how to test for a bad fan clutch. The first test is to check for play. So first grab the fan blade and push in and push out. There should be zero play and zero movement. So again, push in the fan blade and push out. Rock it in, rock it out. If there's excessive play, go ahead and replace that fan clutch. Also, when you rock the fan in and out and you hear noise coming from it, go ahead and replace that fan clutch. The next test is make sure your engine is off. Next, grab the fan blade and rotate it. If you have a hard time rotating it and the fan won't move at all, then you know that clutch is locked up and the clutch is bad. The next test is, again, rotate the fan. If the fan spins way too fast, for example, if you rotate it like this and the fan spins more than 5 times rapidly, then you know that fan clutch is bad. This is how a fan clutch should spin when trying to rotate it. It should barely spin a little bit. It should not spin too fast, and it should not be locked up to the point where the fan does not rotate at all. The next test requires the engine to be running. As the fan is rotating, take a piece of cardboard or newspaper or whatever you got, and when the fan is spinning extremely fast, just stick the cardboard in there. And if the fan just stops while you stick it in there, then you know that fan clutch is bad. The next test, make sure the engine is running. Have somebody turn off the ignition and observe the fan. When the engine is off, the fan should slowly come to a stop like this and stop immediately. But if the fan keeps on rotating when the engine is off, then that fan is spinning too freely, and that's how you know the fan clutch is bad. So those are the symptoms and ways to test for a bad fan clutch. I hope you found the lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.